Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another package from iFLYTEK. I did a previous video with them about their smart translator, and then they reached out to me again now to review another product of theirs, which is a smart recorder. See the unboxing of that, and we're going to test the audio quality and do all that. Before that, please do subscribe to the channel, and let's go and open this. This is the package I actually got from them. I have seen their product before, like online, when I was looking at the translator. Let's see how it is. This is the product. It's called the iFLYTEK smart recorder. Yeah, it doesn't really say anything. It has like a 2-inch screen, and then it's a starry gray, and it has like 6 microphones, so it has noise cancelling and all those things. So it's like the type of recorder which you use for like interviews or in a meeting or things like that. Let's open this. If you guys have seen my previous videos, like I have like pretty much every type of microphone which is out there, and this is the only one like I haven't seen before. And thank you iFLYTEK for sponsoring the video. A pull from here. Yeah, that's the device. Looks like an iPod which we had like years back. I think it's called the iPod Nano, I guess. So this is the device. As I said, has a 2-inch screen, and then has some buttons and a record button here. All these are microphones. So on the top has 2, and then sides here, and then front here, back. Yeah, they don't have anything at the bottom except for like probably like a speaker to hear the audio, and then a USB-C. And then on this side they have a power button. On this side it's a volume button. It's not really heavy, but the finish looks nice. I think it's like fully metal, and the color is also good. They said it's kind of a gray but looks bluish a little bit. 2 plus 4, so they have like 6 microphones in this. Let's see what else is in the box. I think they only have the USB A to C cable. That's it. We used to have like so much stuff before in a box. Nowadays we don't get anything. It's just the shortest unboxing. Let's turn this on. I think this should also be like a Android device, because their translator was also a Android device. Okay, we got the language here, so I think we can just choose that. We're gonna do English, and this is like a password is used to unlock the device and screen. Protect your privacy. You can set a password, I guess. Okay, setting is complete. Tap to switch recording mode. Okay, so it has free memory of like 176 hours, so you can record like for 176 hours. Yeah, it is intelligent recording, my files, and then settings. We don't have anything. And then if you click this, we have intelligent recording applicable to most of scenarios. Conference recording, which is suitable for conference. Speech recording, suitable for lectures or press conferences with multiple participants and within 10 meters. So that, I think that's the range of this mic. It can pick up audio from like 10 meters. And then this is interview recording. We can just choose that, and then what do we do? Okay, pause recording, then it can be saved. Mark the key content. To switch transcription language, it actually does that in real time. Yeah, it's doing it, but it's just a little bit late. To keep it for like later use, like anything that's important, you can flag that. You can choose the transcription language. Yeah, and then once we are done, you can just pause it, quickly open, save the recording. Okay, so if you click this, it's gonna save. Files can be exported when the recorder is connected to a computer via like USB cable. So then we can go to my files, and then this is the recording which we did. So let's play this and see. Tap to switch transcription language, and it actually does that. Yeah, I think their speaker is not that great, but let's just see like what else is here. If you just click that, it starts recording automatically, so you don't have to press this. And, let's just do a quick test and see like how the clarity is. Keep it maybe like around like here. I want to know like if this picks up, and how good is the noise cancellation and all that. So this is the quality of the DJI Mic 2 which I'm wearing right now. It's the DJI Mic 2, and this is the quality of the iFLYTEK smart recorder. Still don't know, like I have to go and see in the edit like how the audio quality is, but you guys can see. Yeah, this is the quality of the smart recorder, and this is the quality of the DJI Mic 2. So I think you can see the difference. It's also a touchscreen, but you can also use these buttons here. Okay, this is just to like navigate these buttons. I think there's just too much of noise from outside. I don't know why, but it's pretty silent room. I don't have anything turned on. System takes like 8 GB already, so they only have like probably 24, something like that. They only, as I said before, they only have like 5 languages, Chinese, Cantonese, Japanese, Korean, and Russian. I think the price of this is around like $300 right now on their website, and it's also available on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description if you guys want. This is useful for people who attend meetings, seminars, and who attend like conferences, and for people who does that, or also for like people who do like interviews, outside with like other people, or going to the public and doing interviews. I think this is a really good way to like do that. I don't think it's like a really best case scenario for me personally. I think for content creation, this might be good for very specific types of content which people are creating, but I did see some reviews on Amazon, and people who actually do that, they are actually in need of a mic like this, and most reviews says like it's a good price. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and thank you again iFLYTEK for sponsoring the video. Check this out if you guys like this. I'll put the link down in the description. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, it's Manish. Bye.